Look at the cute puppy. Isn't it cute though? Okay, well, I think so. Okay. Wait. Let's get cracking here. Okay. So, for this one, we're going to do two things. One is, let's look at a formula given to us and then see what we can do. So, if we're given this formula this time for our pattern that says Tn equals 4n plus 3, how are we going to work out what the first term is? As always, interested to see what you've put down, how you've described it. The way I'm going to describe it, because I think we're probably going to kind of say something similar here, is we need to substitute in. So if Tn is 4n plus 3 as a general term, then T1 is 4 times 1 plus 3, which gives us, well, 4 plus 3 is 7. Right? Cool. So there's our first term. So let's try this again. How are you going to work out the second term? You might have said, well, you know what? Let's just add another 4. We're multiplying by 4. You went, okay, T2 equals 4 times 2 plus 3, because this time n is 2, but the rest of the formula stays the same. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Now, is there some sort of pattern that you're noticing already? Well, perhaps not. Perhaps I should have said, what is the pattern that you're noticing if you did notice one? But let's just do T3 and then see. Okay, well, 4 times 3 plus 3 equals. I want to take a fly and say that it's 15. Now, I know that it is going to be 15 because, hey, look, it's going up in 4s. And look, we had 1 4, we had 2 4s, we had 3 4s, and then we added this 3 at the end. So 7, 11, 15. So that's cool. If you're given the formula, it wouldn't be too bad to find out. So let's just do another one quickly and say, let's say Tn equals 8n plus 2. Okay. How are we going to work out the first 3 terms? But, I only want you to, you can't substitute in 3 times. That seems like a whole lot of extra unnecessary effort. So you're only allowed substituting in once. How are you going to determine the first 3 terms? Okay, well, I'd say maybe one method, because there could be fews. Let's just work out what the first term is. So substitute n equals 1. 8 plus 2 gives us 10. And from our previous one, it looked like it was going up in 4s, and hey, there was that 4 over there. So kind of would make sense that this one's just going up in 8s. So after that, it's going to go 18, 26. Well, that sounds about right. So let's just check it. 8 times 2 plus 2 would be 18, 26. So quite quick to do. So cruise along with exercise 4. I'm going to hit a pause there. And we're back. Yeah, let's see. So what happens if we're given the sequence and we need to work out the formula? Okay, now, yes, this is the same sequence. So before you think, oh, it's the same one. Well, it is the same one purposely. So we got a 7, 11, 15. And we know what that formula should be. Let's see how we could work backwards this time. So we've got 7, 11, 15. What are we adding each time? Well, we're adding 4, right? So we got this plus 4 plus 4. So we know that Tn equals 4n. That was what we had before. The jump was the same as, well, this jump, this distance, this common difference was 4. So we got 4n. And then let's just look at the first term. T1, we know if we put 4 times 1 in, we'd have 4. So what do we need to add or subtract to get to that first term of 7? So we're on 4 at the moment. What do we still need to add to get to 7? We need to add in another 3. So therefore our formula, Tn equals 4n plus 3, done. That's it. So if you're given some sort of pattern, should we do another one? Let's do that other one that we just did. 10, 18, 26, and see if we can work backwards. I'm going to do it over here, but come now, another color. 10, 18, 26, and see if we can use that same logic. Tn equals what times n? Well, it's going up in 8s, so it must be 8n. What do we need to compensate so that we can get our first term as 10. It's not 8. So what do we need to add still? Well, we need to add 2. Voila. Isn't that our formula? So there it is. Exercise 5 is your next best friend. Enjoy. Are you going to enjoy it? I hope you are. Let's go back to the puppy. Hello, puppy.